Hey guys, I'm in Cozumel, Mexico on the Carnival Jubilee, and we're fixing to get back on board, so I thought I'd just turn the camera around and let you watch me and show you what it's like to board the Carnival Jubilee in Cozumel, Mexico. You can see the Carnival Dream is also in port today. There's Margaritaville over there. I'll get shot back at the port. That water's blue. I know this camera don't do it justice. Go straight if you're getting on the Dream, and we'll turn right there to get on the Jubilee. So let's head out. Look, there's a whale tail. You can actually see the Bolt roller coaster up there on top. I'm going to stop here and I'm going to pan the full length of the Jubilee. There's the Dream in front of the Jubilee. Kind of give you an idea how big this ship really is.
Well, what the ball does is make it's a smoother area for it to go around.
Yeah.
I'm going to stop down here low and look up and kind of give you an idea how tall this ship is. Probably don't do it justice, but this is a big ship. Get another shot of this water. And that water's blue. It's crystal clear. Well, here's the entrance. We're back. They even got water set up if anybody wants a drink.
I'm trying to adjust, but help him adjust.
Well, I've made it back on board the Jubilee. I'm in my balcony cabin on the 9th deck. We're overlooking Cozumel. I hope you enjoyed that little video of us boarding the Carnival Jubilee in Cozumel. Now you'll know what it looks like when you come. So, hey, if you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Check out my other cruise videos. Till next time. Happy cruising.